Have you ever wondered what makes your skin soft, hydrated, and resilient? The answer lies in the chemistry of ceramides. These tiny yet powerful molecules are the unsung heroes of skincare, playing a crucial role in maintaining your skin barrier and preventing dryness, inflammation, and aging. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the science of ceramides, what they are, how they work, and why they're essential for healthy skin. In this video, these 8 questions will be answered. What are ceramides? Where do ceramides come from? What is the chemistry of ceramides? What are the different types of ceramides and their roles? What is the synergistic action of ceramides? What are the benefits of ceramides in skincare? What are the risks of imbalanced ceramide? Who should use ceramide? Let's explore. What are ceramides? Ceramides are a type of lipid, or fat, naturally found in your skin's outermost layer, the stratum corneum. They make up about 50% of the skin's lipids by weight, forming a crucial part of the skin barrier. Along with cholesterol and free fatty acids, ceramides act like the mortar between skin cells, keeping the barrier intact and functional. Think of your skin as a brick wall. Your skin cells are the bricks, and ceramides are the mortar that holds everything together, preventing water from escaping and blocking irritants and allergens from entering. Without ceramides, your skin barrier would be incomplete, leading to dryness, irritation, and sensitivity. Where do ceramides come from? Your body naturally produces ceramides, thanks to enzymes like palmitoyltransferase. However, factors like aging, environmental damage, and skin conditions can reduce ceramide production. This is where skincare products step in, replenishing your skin's ceramide levels. But not all ceramides in skincare are the same. Ceramides can come from animal sources, plants, or be synthesized in a lab. For instance, early skincare products used animal-derived ceramides, often extracted from brain tissue. However, concerns like mad cow disease led to a shift towards synthetic and plant-based ceramides. Today, ceramides, which are the synthetic molecules mimicking natural ceramides, are a popular vegan alternative. The chemistry of ceramides. Let's break down the chemistry. Ceramides are sphingolipids, composed of a sphingoid base like sphingosine or phytosphingosine, linked to a fatty acid. This unique structure enables ceramides to embed into the skin's lipid bilayer. In the skin, ceramides interact with cholesterol and free fatty acids to form lamellar structures, or, in other words, a layered arrangements of lipids. These lamellae act as a sealant, locking in moisture and preventing transepidermal water loss. Ceramides also form hydrogen bonds with water molecules, enhancing skin hydration. Their hydrophobic tails pack tightly with other lipids, creating a robust barrier against environmental damage. Types of ceramides and their roles. There are at least 12 types of ceramides in human skin, each with unique functions. Here are some key players. Ceramide 1, ES. It contains a long-chain omega-hydroxy fatty acid that is esterified to linoleic acid. The presence of linoleic acid adds flexibility and fluidity to the lipid bilayer. Ceramide 1 interacts with other lipids such as cholesterol and fatty acids by van der Waals forces and hydrogen bonding, forming a tightly packed lamellar bilayer. The esterified linoleic acid enhances lipid mobility, allowing ceramide 1 to bridge the upper and lower lipid layers, strengthening the skin barrier. When the barrier is damaged, ceramide 1 facilitates the reorganization of lipid layers by filling gaps caused by barrier disruption. Known for its long-chain omega-hydroxy fatty acid, it strengthens the skin barrier and prevents water loss. Skincare products also use synthetic ceramides like bioidentical ceramides or pseudoceramides. These are engineered to mimic natural ceramides, but can be customized for specific skin concerns. Now let's go to the next type of ceramide, Ceramide 2, NS. It is composed of a sphingosine base linked to a fatty acid by an amide bond. The hydrophobic chain is key for embedding into lipid layers. Ceramide 2 forms hydrogen bonds with water molecules, enhancing the hydrophilic-hydrophobic interface within the lipid bilayer. Its amide linkage enables tight packing with cholesterol and fatty acids, reducing transepidermal water loss. Also, ceramide 2 serves as a precursor for signaling molecules involved in keratinocyte differentiation, supporting skin barrier renewal. Ceramide 3 NP. The structure of the ceramide is similar to ceramide 2, but with a phytosphingosine base instead of sphingosine. The extra hydroxyl group on phytosphingosine increases its polar interactions. The hydroxyl group forms strong hydrogen bonds with other ceramides and water, promoting barrier repair and hydration. The long fatty acid chain allows ceramide 3 to intercalate tightly with cholesterol and fatty acids, stabilizing the lipid matrix. By replenishing lipid bilayers, it prevents microcracking and wrinkle formation caused by dryness. Ceramide 6, AP. Structure-wise, N-acyl phytosphingosine with an additional hydroxyl group gives it exfoliating properties. Ceramide 6 breaks down desmosomes, which are protein structures connecting corneocytes, by altering lipid organization. This aids in the gentle shedding of dead skin cells. Similar to ceramide 3, its polar phytosphingosine base binds water molecules and enhances moisture retention. Also, it facilitates the even distribution of lipids across the skin surface, resulting in improved texture. Ceramide 9, AOP. It contains an ester-linked omega-hydroxy fatty acid and phytosphingosine, similar to ceramide 1, but with different chain lengths and orientations. Ceramide 9 acts as a scaffold within the lipid matrix, holding other ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol in place by van der Waals forces. Also, it enhances skin elasticity by allowing slight movement within the lipid layers without compromising barrier integrity. Now let's answer the next question. What are the synergistic actions of ceramides? Ceramides work in tandem with cholesterol and free fatty acids to create the lipid matrix. The ideal ratio of these components is approximately 1:1:1. Each type of ceramide contributes uniquely, but they can show a synergistic effect when they get in contact with each other. For example, ceramides 1 and 9 can synergistically strengthen the outer lipid bilayer. Ceramides 2 and 3 can maintain hydration and reduce transepidermal water loss. Generally, when used in skincare formulations, ceramides mimic the natural lipid composition of the skin, effectively repairing and maintaining its barrier function. What are the benefits of ceramides in skincare? Ceramides offer numerous benefits. 1. Hydration. They lock moisture into the skin, preventing dryness. 2. Barrier repair. Ceramides restore the lipid matrix, crucial for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. 3. Anti-aging. As we age, ceramide levels drop, leading to dryness and wrinkles. Replenishing ceramides helps maintain youthful skin. 4. Protection. They shield the skin from environmental stressors like pollution and microbes. What are the risks of imbalanced ratio of ceramides to other lipids? While ceramides are safe for most skin types, using them without balancing other lipids like cholesterol and fatty acids can destabilize the skin barrier. Overhydration can also disrupt your skin's microbiome, increasing the risk of bacterial growth. So, always ensure your products maintain a 1:1:1 ratio of ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. And the last question is, who should use ceramides? Ceramides are ideal for dry, sensitive, and aging skin. However, even oily or acne-prone skin can benefit, as ceramides are non-comedogenic and won't clog pores. If you live in a polluted area or experience frequent skin irritation, ceramides can be a game changer. So there you have it, the fascinating chemistry behind ceramides and their vital role in skincare. Whether you're battling dryness, sensitivity, or the signs of aging, ceramides are your skin's best friend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science-backed skincare insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.